wreath-laying ceremony for martyred Havaldar Sunil Kumar currently taking place. My colleague Prakash joining us from Patna with more details because he's been speaking to people who knew him personally. He's been speaking to his family members. Prakash, the entire nation stands united in remembering the supreme sacrifice of our Ladakh brave hearts. What is it that you're picking up around yourself?
Well, I'm here in Beta, on the outskirts of Patna, around 30 to 40 kilometers away from Patna, where in this village you can see that the carriage van is placed there, and very soon the mortal remains of Sunil Kumar, who was martyred on the Indo-China border in Ladakh, would be taken for the final rites. The cremation would take place, and all the senior officials from the government side as well as the army personnel of the Bihar regiment are gathered here. They would be giving a guard of honor. Sunil Kumar is survived by 3 children, one daughter of 12 years of age and 2 sons below 10, and a wife and brothers. Yesterday, while I was speaking to his brother at the Patna airport when the mortal remains of Sunil Kumar was brought in from Chandigarh, he said that my brother has made the supreme sacrifice, and the government of India and Prime Minister Modi should avenge this death or the martyrdom of Sunil Kumar as soon as possible. And in Hindi he said, "Khoon ka badla khoon se lena hai." So that is the message that he gave, and the entire village, as you can see, is in a state of mourning here in this village in Bihta on the outskirts of Patna, around 40 kilometers from Patna. And it's like people of this village are in total of Sunil Kumar. They are here to salute the valor of Sunil Kumar, tricolor being hoisted here on every street and every part of this particular village. You can see the people, large number of people have thronged here. And as Prime Minister Modi also stated yesterday that the supreme sacrifice of the soldiers who attain martyrdom would not go in vain, and India is capable of retaliating. Remember what happened in Balakot, and India retaliated with a surgical strike, and the might of India cannot be challenged. India is capable of protecting its borders, protecting its people, protecting its forces, and that's one of the reasons Prime Minister Modi tried to motivate the armed forces, as well as in a confidence-building measure yesterday, tried to convey a message to the people of India that the government is working very hard for peace and normalcy on the borders, and maybe there would be international pressure on China. So here in this village, people have gathered here in large number. People have gathered here in large number, and we'll try and get a few words from some of the personnel.
We are busy with the personnel.
Army personnel have gathered here. I will be joined by Bhai Birendra, who this particular area falls in his constituency.
जी सुनील जी की चीन बॉर्डर पे शहीद हुए हैं, और हम लोग गौरवान्वित हैं सुनील कुमार के देश के लिए शहीद हुए हैं, और पूरा इलाका, पूरा बिहार, पूरा देश उनके लिए गम मना रहा है और श्रद्धांजलि दे रहा है। और मैं भी अपनी तरफ से और अपनी पार्टी के तरफ से सुनील कुमार को श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं, और उनके परिवार को भगवान शक्ति दे, दुख सहने की शक्ति प्रदान करें।
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा है कि भारत कैपेबल है अपने
मैं मांग करता हूं सरकार से कि उनकी प्रतिमा स्टैचू इस तारानगर मोड़ पे स्टैचू उनका लगाया जाए, ताकि आने वाले पीढ़ी ये देखे कि ये देश के लिए शहीद हुए हैं और फौज में जाने के लिए भी तैयार हों। इसके लिए भी इनका प्रतीक।
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि कोई हमें कमज़ोर न समझे, देश कैपेबल है अपने बॉर्डर्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने।
निश्चित रूप से देश कैपेबल है और प्रधानमंत्री जी निश्चित रूप से बदला लेने का काम करेंगे। आज हम लोग को फक्र है कि देश के लिए बलिदान हुआ ये लड़का और इससे प्रेरणा मिलेगा लोगों को। और मैं मांग करता हूं कि सिकरिया चौक पर मूर्ति भी होना चाहिए ताकि लोगों को प्रेरणा मिले कि देश की सेवा के लिए आगे आएँ। मैं श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं, पूरे परिवार को मैं श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं।
We'll try and get a word from some of the local villagers here. सुनील कुमार, ये बताइए कि सुनील जी ने शहादत दिया तो गांव के लोग जो है उन्हें किस रूप में याद करते हैं? कोई यादें हैं आप लोगों को?
याद तो बहुत लोग के मरते दम तक याद करेगा लोग। सुनील कुमार अमर रहे जी।
और भी कोई लोग हैं जो यहाँ गांव से आपके आर्मी में हैं?
हम मेरे भाई,
उनके भाई ही बड़े थे जो रिटायर कर गए आर्मी से, और कई लोग हैं यहाँ पे आर्मी में।
Get a word from some of the villagers also. सुनील जी की शहादत हुई है, 20 जवान हमारे शहीद हुए चाइना बॉर्डर पे। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा है कि हम लोग कैपेबल, हम लोग सक्षम हैं बॉर्डर को रक्षा करने में?
हमारे माननीय वीर सुनील कुमार जी देश की रक्षा करते हुए शहीद हो गए। हमें गौरव की बात है कि चीन से बदला लिया जाए।
So there we have the voice resonating here in the village, and people are saluting the valor of Sunil Kumar, and very soon the mortal remains would be taken for the final rites. The cremation would take place on the outskirts of Maner. On the outskirts of Maner, there we can see in the house, this is the house where the grieving family members are mourning the martyrdom of Sunil Kumar. And in sometimes now, we can see that the army personnel entering inside the house of Sunil Kumar, and the mortal remains would be taken for the cremation with the guard of honor. And the guard of honor would take place in sometimes from now. So there we can see the army personnel entering inside the body. The carriage van is being prepared. The preparations underway for Shahid Sunil Kumar and the grieving family members. It's a supreme sacrifice that all these army personnel have made, and we salute the valor and the bravery of all these jawans and the army personnel. And there we see Sunil with slogans and chanting of Sunil Kumar Amar Rahe in this village in Bihta, being chanted all across, commending the supreme sacrifice for the nation on the Indo-China border. Yesterday